Hey guys, today I will show you the gaming test of Coolpad Cool 6. Let's have a look at graphics settings. So as you can see, on HD graphics you will get high frame rate. This is a big plus that you are getting high frame rate on HD graphics. Next, on balance you can see high frame rate, and on smooth you will see high frame rate again. So basically on smooth, balance and HD graphics you will get high frame rate. And we'll do this test on HD graphics and high frame rate. Now let's start the game. So while game is loading, let's talk about the specifications. On the front you get 6.53 inch Full HD Plus display. You also get 6 GB or 4 GB RAM and 128 or 64 GB storage options. For your gaming performance, you get MediaTek Helio P70 processor with 4000 mAh battery. Here you can see 20 megapixel pop-up camera and 3.5 mm jack. Here is the speaker grills and USB Type-C port. This side you can see SIM tray, and here we have volume rockers and power button. So friends, as you can see, you will get good details from Coolpad Cool 6. Here you can see every brick and line is clear. You will not see any kind of a detail loss. Here you can also see the tree top is not merging, and you can easily differentiate between sky and the tree. Overall gameplay is really smooth and you can definitely enjoy your gaming. So all in all, you will get good gaming performance from Coolpad Cool 6. That's it about this video. Thanks for watching.